Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a tasty buffalo ranch shrimp egg roll. Alright, so here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for this shrimp egg roll recipe. I have some oil. This is about 2 cups of oil, about 1/4 pound of fresh peeled shrimp, coleslaw mix. This is a combination of regular cabbage, purple cabbage, and some shredded carrots. 1 egg, seafood seasoning, egg roll wrap. This is going to be our duck sauce, dipping sauce, buffalo ranch. All right, I'm just going to dice my shrimp real quick. Just give it like 3 slices, or you could even do 1. That's pretty much up to you. Alright, so now I'm just going to add my seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon of seafood seasoning. Just to add some flavor. We're just going to saute this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And we're also going to saute our coleslaw mix as well. For the coleslaw mix, we're not going to cook it for that long, maybe a minute as well, because we're just trying to get it a little bit softer than how it is right now. Because you know it's crunchy, we're trying to get it on the softer side. We're just going to start with the cabbage. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. And we're just going to saute our cabbage mix for about a minute, or until they're a little bit soft. Alright, so our cabbage mixture is pretty much ready. I'm just going to remove this from the heat, and then I'll go ahead and start working on our shrimp. That's it. Add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then we're just going to saute our shrimp. We're going to cook our shrimp for just 1 minute. Time to add your filling. All right. And these egg rolls are going to be nice and puffy. Oh yeah. Smelling so good. That's it, time to start rolling. Alright, so go ahead and fold it over. Across and across. And roll. Alright, and it should stick together just like that. Add your oil. and turn your stove on high heat. So we're going to be frying these egg rolls on high heat, guys. All right, so make sure your oil is nice and hot. We're going to be frying our egg roll at a high heat temperature. All right, so guys, we're gonna keep rotating our egg rolls, just to make sure each side has a nice golden, crispy brown texture. Since the oil is on high heat, guys, you wanna continuously flip your egg roll because you don't want it to burn. Our egg rolls are done, looking nice and crispy. We're just gonna let them cool for about 2 minutes before we slice them open. All right, we're gonna slice them open nice and slow. Let the knife do the work. Oh yeah, let's take a look at it, guys. Nice and juicy. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna add my duck sauce. We're just gonna use this as our dipping sauce for the egg roll. Hey guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.